as you can! He's gaining on me! You can't escape my wrath! No, no, no! This can't be happening! Get away from—
Oh my god, viewers. I created these videos using a 100% free AI tool, and today I'm going to show you an incredible platform that lets you generate unlimited AI videos, yes, as many videos as you want, completely free. First, head over to YouTube. I recently came across a channel called Faceless. It's a very new channel, only about 2 to 3 weeks old. At the moment, it has around 2.4K subscribers and only 13 videos uploaded. What's really impressive is how quickly this channel has grown. If we open the popular tab, you can see that 2 of its videos have already reached around 142K and 98K views. That's an amazing result for such a new channel. This channel creates videos in the stickman animation niche, and it's clear that people absolutely love this type of content. Today, I'll show you how to create a similar niche using a blue stickman character, completely with free AI tools, including image generation, animation, voiceover, and video editing. Take a moment to watch a few of these videos. You'll notice how engaging, entertaining, and visually appealing they are. The results speak for themselves. Now let's move on to the master prompt. I already have a professionally prepared master prompt, and you'll find it in the description below. This prompt already includes everything you need: the consistent character prompt, story, scene descriptions, and complete structure. You don't need to write anything from scratch. Simply copy the master prompt and open the Clouder AI website. Personally, Clouder AI is one of my favorite AI tools because it generates incredibly detailed and high-quality prompts. I'll paste my master prompt here and click Generate. After waiting for a few seconds, boom! As you can see, all of my prompts are now ready. The AI has generated everything scene by scene, starting with the consistent character prompt, followed by scene 1, scene 2, scene 3, and so on. The only thing you'll need to do is copy the consistent character prompt and paste it into each individual scene before generating the images. This helps maintain perfect character consistency throughout the entire story. As you can see, Clouder AI has done an excellent job, and the quality of these prompts is absolutely amazing. Now let's move on to the image generation process. For images, I'll first use Flow AI, and after that, I'll introduce the 100% free AI video tool that we'll use for video generation, editing, captions, and exporting. I'll simply copy my first image prompt, paste it into Flow AI, and click Generate. After a few moments, look at this. The character looks absolutely incredible. With just a single click, we've created a highly detailed, professional quality character. The results are genuinely impressive. Next, I'll repeat the same process for prompts 2 through 10. I'll copy each prompt one by one, paste it into Flow AI, and generate all of the remaining images. As you can see, the images are generating one after another. All you need is a little patience while the AI finishes processing. And now, look at these results. All of our images are complete, and the most impressive part is the character consistency. Every single image maintains the same appearance, style, and identity of the character throughout the entire story. This level of consistency is exactly what we need for professional AI videos, and the final output looks absolutely fantastic. Now we'll simply download all of these images. Once that's done, we'll move on to the most exciting part of this tutorial, the step where I'll show you how to generate unlimited AI videos for free, exactly as I promised. So let's get started. Alright viewers, now it's time to open the tool we're going to use, Google Vids. This is an incredibly powerful AI platform, and today I'm going to show you how to create unlimited AI videos, add stunning animations, and even edit everything in one place. First, simply click Sign In and log in using your Gmail account. Once you're signed in, you'll see the main dashboard. Here, you'll find VO 3.1, which supports both image-to-video and text-to-video generation. Depending on your project, you can choose whichever option you prefer. Besides video generation, you'll also find several built-in AI features, including text editing, captions, voiceovers, and image animation. However, in today's tutorial, our primary focus will be on creating AI videos. I'll select the image-to-video option, upload my first image, and then paste the corresponding prompt. After that, I'll choose the appropriate aspect ratio and click the Generate button. Now my first AI video is being generated. I can't wait to show you the result because the quality of Google Vids powered by VO 3.1 is honestly incredible. After waiting just a few moments, look at this.
Run! Run as fast as you can! He's gaining on me! You can't escape my wrath!
Oh my god, viewers, this is absolutely amazing. You can see the final result right here. The animation is smooth, the motion looks natural, and the overall quality is outstanding. Everything looks polished and professional. Now let's generate the second scene. I'll upload the second image, paste the next prompt, and click Generate once again. After a short wait, boom. Our second video is ready, and once again, the quality is fantastic. The animation is smooth, the character remains consistent, and the scene looks incredibly engaging. Now, instead of generating one scene at a time, I'll speed things up. I'll upload the next images, paste their prompts, and generate 3 scenes simultaneously. This saves a lot of time because you don't have to wait for each scene individually. As you can see, all 3 scenes are now generating together. After a short wait, perfect. All of my scenes are now complete. Take a look at the results. Every scene is highly engaging, visually impressive, and maintains excellent character consistency throughout the story. Now that all of our AI video clips are ready, it's time to move on to the editing process, where we'll combine everything into a professional final video. All right, viewers, now it's time for the editing process. The best part is that you don't need to switch to any other editing software. Everything can be done right here inside the same platform. Simply drag and drop your generated video clips onto the timeline. Then, arrange each scene in the correct order according to your story. I'll place them one by one until the entire sequence is complete. If needed, you can also change the aspect ratio to match the platform you're creating for. Whether it's YouTube Shorts, TikTok, Instagram Reels, or a standard YouTube video. As you can see, all of my scenes are now perfectly arranged on the timeline, and the project is ready for the next step. Now let's add captions. I'll open the Captions section where you'll find a variety of professionally designed caption styles. Simply choose the one that best matches your video. Once you've selected a caption style, you'll need to make a few adjustments. This usually takes just a little time because you'll want to fine-tune the font size, positioning, and spacing so that the captions fit perfectly on the screen without covering important parts of the video. After making those adjustments, the captions look clean, professional, and easy to read. Now your video has a polished, professional appearance and is ready for the final export. The last step is incredibly simple. Just click on the File menu, choose Download, and export your completed video. And now, look at this result. Our final AI video is complete. The animation is smooth, the character remains consistent throughout every scene, the captions look professional, and the overall editing quality is fantastic. I hope you enjoyed today's tutorial and learned something valuable from it. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell so you never miss our future AI tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video with another exciting AI idea. Goodbye.